Hi, everybody. This is Carlita Nelson, and I wanted to come on here and just give you the preferred client a little helpful information about how to maximize your benefits as a preferred client and how to help you know whether or not you're getting the best deal. Sometimes people think, oh, I want to be the consultant and sign up as a consultant so I can get the bigger discount. And being a consultant is the best deal. We believe that with all of our heart because you get to make an income and you get to build a health and wellness business. It can be as big as you want it to be. And all we do is we stop using other people's products. We start using Arbonne's because we believe what Arbonne believes, and we share what we love about that with other people. And so if you find yourself, because you're a preferred client and you're living these products and people are noticing changes about how you look and feel, and you're saying, hey, it's Arbonne, then you might as well jump in here and be a consultant with us and let Arbonne send you a thank you check for everybody you share Arbonne with. Or maybe you go around and you love your results so much that you tell everybody, hey, I love how these products are working for me. I think this is something you would like too. And so you tell them about Arbonne. Those are just things that we do as consultants. And if you find yourself doing that, we want you to know, ask us and we will help you upgrade to consultant, because you can upgrade for $20 from the preferred client status to the consultant status and be able to earn an income and even build a big health and wellness business if that's what you choose to do, and we'll help support you every step of the way. So with that being said, if you go, no, I really just want to be able to use these products at a discount, then your best deal is to be a preferred client. And I'm going to show you a few little slide thumbnails, the next few little things to help you see visually how that works and how to make sure you're not missing out on any of the preferred client benefits that come along with that membership that you have. So I'm going to share my screen and help you see that this is something that you could ask your consultant to help you get. It's just a little sheet that has like, what are the benefits as a preferred client that you have, and how do I become one? And you can enroll for $29, and that will help you earn a 20 to a 40% discount on every single product that you order. If you order individual or pieces of products, you're going to get a baseline 20% discount on everything. If you order what we call our Arbonne, special value packs or kits or sets of products, then you can order those at a 40% discount. And that is a great discount on our major flagship products, skincare, nutrition, cosmetics. But as a preferred client, you can also earn free shipping whenever you place 150 orders whenever you first sign up, and you place at least a 150 order, you're going to get free shipping on that order. And when you place a 250 order when you first sign up, you're going to not only get free shipping, but you also get to pick out a complimentary free gift in your start month whenever you have 250 in your order. So that's the benefits at a 150 and a 250 order when you first sign up, and your consultant will help you know how to get that. And then you will renew every year. And it will cost $29 to renew to keep that membership of that 20 to 40% discount going all the time. And but you will be able to get that membership fee waived. You will be able to get free shipping and get a free gift when it's time to renew, if you need to place an order, and that order is at least $250 in retail. So those are just a quick overview of what are the benefits when you first register, and then how do you need to renew, and what do you get when you renew. That when you're ordering throughout that year that you have bought that membership, if your order is less than 150, you're going to have to pay shipping. And we always teach people that 150 is like the magic number for preferred clients once you sign up. So once you sign up and you're ordering and you're placing orders, $150 is what helps trigger the benefits and maximize the rewards that you can earn as a preferred client with Arbonne. Because when you place at least a 150 order, it's going to kick in and it's going to help you populate a reward that's going to give you free shipping and a free product on your next 150 order. So when you place a 150 order, it's going to populate a reward that's going to give you free shipping and a free gift on your next 150 order. So 150 just keeps this perpetuating for you and helping you get free shipping and a free gift. And I'm going to show you how great those free gifts are in just a second. But you also have those benefits of buying those preferred client those value packs and getting them at a 40% discount. And we also have auto ship for your convenience. But Arbonne does not require you to put your card on file and automatically charge you month after month. It's only there for your convenience if you want it. This is a sheet that you should get when you place an order and register with Arbonne as a preferred client, and it will help you read through some of these things that you just saw a visual on, but that's something that's available if you need it. This is what those special value packs look like: the skincare, the nutrition, the makeup, and cosmetics. And what I wanted to show you here is that this is where sometimes people think, because sometimes people have been consultants or clients of Arbonne even before we had and developed our preferred client program. So you're maybe buying as a consultant, or you're used to ordering as a consultant or through a consultant that gives you the consultant discount. But what I want you to know is that even though it looks like you're buying at a cheaper price through a consultant or as a consultant with Arbonne, even though you're not building a business, there are huge benefits and perks that you're missing out on. And yes, it's great to be a consultant, but only if you're going to build it and get a paycheck and let Arbonne help you bring in income for your family. Otherwise, even though these numbers are higher, I promise, and I'm going to show you why you want to order as a preferred client and how this ends up playing out at the end of the calculating tally that you're going to get. But right here, you see these prices. Here's a picture of some of the free gifts that we get. All of the free gifts we get to pick from right now. Those change every now and then. But you need to know that the free gifts are rich. They're the most popular items and the items that we run out of the fastest and that we reorder. And Arbonne has these in here for us to pick from. They're not throwing some product in your box in your order, that's like something they're trying to clean off their shelves. They're throwing in the most sought after and ordered products out of all the products that Arbonne has. So I want to show you side by side. This is what a consultant pays. This is what a preferred client pays, and help you see how this is something that is going to, help you understand that the preferred client option is going to be your best option unless you're building that business and making an income. So you are paying the higher price here. This is a preferred client calculated total. This is a consultant calculated total. This is where you see, but I pay more because I'm only getting a 20% discount and they're getting, or a 40% discount on this system, and they're getting a 50% discount as a consultant. But what I want you to notice is that you get free shipping. Consultants have to pay shipping. You get to pay tax on the sale price. Consultants pay tax on the retail dollar. So can you see where, even though our original order is less, we're adding tax and shipping of 8 plus 40, let's just round up, it's $48 that we're adding to this number that brings that up closer to the number that you're paying at the same time. So you go, okay, so down here you look and see that the end total is $289.71 versus $269.50. And so you're going, but Carnita, I'm still paying $20 more as a preferred client instead of a consultant. I get that. But here's the difference maker. When you order and you take advantage of the system, Arbonne's going to get you a free gift every time you place an order of $150 or more. This is just showing you this package deal price, but a $150 order is going to get you free shipping, tax on the sale price, and a free gift, whereas a consultant is not going to get their free gift. And I'm going to show you the value of some of these gifts. When you look, these are, again, the same gifts that I showed you on that other sheet of paper, but this has the price of what those value at. And you can see that they're, not cheap products, and they are our most popular products. Digestion Plus is the probably most popular nutrition product we have. Fizz Sticks, the other ones, mascara, makeup primer, but the Genius Pads are our most expensive item in the catalog, retails at $98. Our serum at $65, our RE9 eye cream at $62. You can pick any of those for free, and it's helping you increase the value benefit on this client side. So you can see, let's add that you get to have, you know, basically $98 taken off of that, or add on $98 value of the retail dollar subtotal. And so you're getting almost $550 worth of products for $289, and we're getting the $444 for the $269. So I just want you to see that this free gift, the tax on the sale price and the free shipping, is what helps boost up your benefits and help you get a bang up deal as a preferred client with Arbonne. Now, I want to help you understand how you take advantage of these free gifts and this free shipping. The free shipping and the free gift are rewards, remember, that you populate whenever you place a 150 order. So when you place a 150 order, you know, you're a preferred client, you place an order, you order, and I'm just giving you an example because I'm going to show you how long you have before that reward expires out of your account. But let's say you order in the month of May. This is, you get to have 2 full months to place your next 150 order, and you will be able to get free shipping and redeem that free gift and pick a free gift from that list that we had. So, but the month that you ordered does not count as one of your 2 months. So if you ordered in May and you ordered anytime in May, that's just like a regular month. That's when you ordered. But month 1 is June, month 2 is July. So you will have to make sure that you order before the last day of July, or on the last day of July at the latest, to redeem your rewards of free shipping and that free gift, picking from that free gift list that we get to pick. So this just helps you see how long that is. It's not like it sits there 6 months and waits for you to order again. It only lasts for 2 months, but it's 2 full calendar months. The month you order does not count as one of your months, okay? So that's just helping you see. Mark your calendar. I tell everybody, when you place an order, set an alarm or a calendar date to remind you a week or 2 before it expires that you need to come in here in the middle of July and make sure you're getting your Arbonne order ready to place if you haven't already done it. What I want you to also realize is that even though this expires by the end of July, you don't have to wait that long, or it's not like you only get one reward in that time period. If you placed another order in May, you would get that free shipping and a free gift, and it would populate another free shipping and a free gift. So every time you could order 3 times in a row and get, you know, today we could order 3 150 orders today and you would get 3 gifts. But if you place one $450 order, you're only going to get 1 gift because it's the 150 order that kicks it in. But they have to be individual orders. But there's no harm in you doing multiple orders close together at a 150 increment, because you're going to get free shipping every time you place that 150 order. So don't worry about stocking up and making a list of what all you need with Arbonne. Just know every time you get about a $150 order, place that order, let it give you a free shipping and a free gift reward sitting in your shopping cart, so that the next time you come and place an order in that next 2 months, you're going to get free shipping and another free gift. And that is how your benefits work. But you can see that it's awesome. This is just showing you on the skincare. The other option, the other example was on the nutrition, but same thing. You get, you know, a 40% discount on these systems. We get 50. But you get free shipping, we pay shipping, you get tax on the sale price, we get tax on the retail dollar, you get a free gift, we don't get a free gift. And that gift, that free gift and free shipping is sitting there waiting for you for your next order. So what that does, and what I want to encourage you guys to do, is take advantage of the largest vegan catalog in the world, and know that if you're using nutrition, try the skincare, try some of those free gifts in skincare, or let that be your 150 order, that you try some of these other products that we have, because we have it all: pure essential oils, detox, hair care, body care, nutrition, sport nutrition, makeup, cosmetics, skincare for every age and person and condition in your home, baby skincare, healthy aging, men and women skincare. We have it all. And they all support the detoxification process for your body, but they also help you make those 150 orders that you get discounts on, free shipping, tax on the sale price, and you get to earn and pick out free gifts out of some of these most popular products every time you do. So I just want you to see that the best deal, if you're just going to live these products, is to order as a preferred client. Sign up, get your membership. You can log in, place your order when you want, and this is how you're going to want to do it. 150 is that magic number, and you just want to make sure that you're ordering on a regular basis, at least every 2 to 3 months, so that you don't miss out on your rewards. But I want to show you guys this, because some people go, well, and this is just showing you how this is what the client pays. This is what a consultant pays, but it shows that the consultant has to pay shipping and ends up being, you know, this total price, and the preferred clients get free shipping. But what I want you to see, this is full disclosure and transparency, is that your consultant is still going to make an income, because Arbonne's going to send them a thank you check for helping you learn about Arbonne and use it and order it. So every time you place an order, you're going to get your discounts, you're going to get your free shipping, you're going to get your free gifts, but your consultant is going to get a thank you check from Arbonne for $50.85. And if you order nutrition, they'll get a thank you check for $46.50. So if you worry and you're like, well, I'm fine ordering with the consultant because I want to help them out, I want them to get their best deal. You are. I love that Arbonne helps your program be super rich with discounts, free shipping, free gifts, and benefits consistently with your membership. But at the same time, the consultant gets benefits and a thank you check, and it's a win-win. There's not a win-loss or a loss-win in Arbonne. You win as a client, getting all the benefits and perks that you need, and your consultant is still going to make an income, and it is that win-win situation that Arbonne always works to help provide. So I just want to remind you guys that it's when you have that reward, you have 2 full calendar months to use it before it expires, and you want to set an alarm so that you don't miss out on the free gift and the free shipping, because honestly, that's what makes your preferred client benefit and membership the best deal when you're just shopping with Arbonne. So like I said, we still believe consultant is the best deal. We would still love for you to just take a look at this and see how you can make those, commission checks back from Arbonne when people order that you've told Arbonne about and you've shared Arbonne with. And let us just help you look at it and examine it, answer your questions, and help you see really is so simple. It is as simple as stopping other products that aren't as good for you, living Arbonne's products, and sharing what you love about it with your world, and you make an income with Arbonne at the same time. So we'd love to share it with you. Let your consultant know. Tell us no if you end up just saying, nope, I really just want to be a preferred client, not a consultant. It's fine to tell us no, but I always encourage people, listen and look at it all first before you say no, because you may just not know enough that you would realize you would really want to say yes. So I hope this helps and helps you maximize your benefits as a client, and helps your consultant know how to make sure you're signed up as a client and not just ordering through them, because if you are ordering through your consultant, you're missing out on free gifts and free shipping and all the things that you could get as a client signed up with Arbonne yourself. And I know a lot of people like to go in together and they're like, well, I'll just order under you. You're missing out if you're not each placing your own orders and getting multiple free gifts and free shipping every time you do. So work independent of everybody. Let us help you, but work with your own numbers so that you get the benefits every time they populate, and get to use and try more products at a bigger discount and for free. Thank you guys for listening. I hope this helps you.